sparse community of microbes can persist for eons in the clay beneath the deep blue sea. When scientists drilled into the Pacific Ocean bottom and pulled up a long core of clay, they also pulled up the microbes living on so little that it was hard for the scientists to tell if they were alive in the first place. A seemingly infertile blend of minerals might have been the first birthplace of life on Earth, as many religions have believed that all living being was made of clay. In simulated ancient seawater, clay forms a hydrogel, a mass of microscopic spaces capable of soaking up liquids like a sponge. Over billions of years, chemicals confined in those spaces could have carried out the complex reactions that formed proteins, DNA, and eventually all the machinery that makes a living cell work. Clay hydrogels could have confined and protected those chemical processes until the membrane that surrounds living cells developed. Today in our daily life there is thousands of skincare products in the market to be choose from. But most of those products contain a lot of synthetic chemical which will cause skin allergy to some user. This makes many customers having a hard time to choose a suitable skincare product that have very little side effect. Worried no more, let us introduce Calypso Natural Hydrate Clay, a natural skincare product which contains 0% man-made synthetic chemical. Calypso contains only natural hydrate clay and only clay. It does not contain any other man-made smell flavors or synthetic drugs. Calypso contains both macro minerals and trace minerals. Minerals are among the basic building blocks of the body. A macro mineral is a mineral your body needs for optimal functioning. Clay provides essential minerals to keep the body healthy. Independent laboratory mineral analyses performed on clay demonstrate that it contains more than 70 trace minerals. From millions of years ago, during the Cretaceous period, the world experienced extensive volcanic activity due to the tectonic convergences of Pacific plates. During long periods of eruptions, immeasurable amounts of ash were disgorged into the prevailing easterly winds as the Pacific plate was forced under the Earth's crust. Over millions of years, the ash was repeatedly deposited in the mineral-rich Murray Sea and interbedded with eroded silts and sediments. Slowly, the glass component of the ash was chemically altered in these low-energy marine environments and consolidated into distinct layers of clay, often associated with sealike beds, marl, sandstone as well as shale and mudstone. In seawater, clay forms a hydrogel, a mass of tiny spaces which soak up other minerals, chemicals and tiny molecules from its surrounding area. And soon we discover a way to extract this essence from the deep-plated crust beneath the sea. Proper diet and exercise is the key when it comes to keeping your body running smoothly. However, what most people don't realize is that even with a great diet full of veggies and fruits, your body may be starved for minerals. Our body cannot produce minerals. They must be ingested. Due to commercial farming methods and genetically modified organisms, GMOs, our soil and food continues to lose important nutrients decade after decade. This is why we promote growing your own food. When apply Calypso onto a rough and dry skin, user can immediately see and feel the result of the user skin, which turns soft and smooth. It also replenishes mineral back to our body. Apply Calypso single application onto the varicose vein skin 2 or 3 times daily. At night apply before going to sleep with it without washing. For varicose veins it takes quite some time to heal. Because Calypso is a natural product takes some time to show the effect. In today's life we intend to use less harmful product to ourselves and still keep us look young and healthy. Safe, effective and true beauty comes from Calypso.